Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be a cleaning video. I'm going to be cleaning my guest bathroom. It is not that big, so I just want to jump in and do a quick clean. I'll be using Mr. Clean pads and some Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray, all-purpose spray, and this is a holiday edition, and some spray away glass cleaner. Right here, I'm just showing you the bathroom as a whole and how it is looking right now before I give it a quick cleanup. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for more videos like this. If you guys would like to see how I organize underneath my bathroom sink, I will link a video for you. I did do a video a couple of months ago on organization underneath my bathroom sink, so I'll just link it for you guys. So guys, I have completed the bathroom. It's all nice and clean. I have it organized. So I'm just giving you a little short overview. Right here in the corner, I just got a tray that I got from Ross, and I just set some lotion and some liquid soap And right here is just a napkin holder, and I got this from Ross also. It's for a kitchen, but I'm using it in the bathroom. And I just have my candle right here from Bath and Body Works, and I set it in that little cute candle holder that I also got from Ross. I'm gonna show you guys around and show you how everything came out so nice and clean and organized, and how I did the towels. Did it very simple, nothing fancy. And yeah, just, straighten it up, clean it up, just a nice little quick cleanup. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, like, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. Bye guys.